Hi, winter is here and is the season for hot coffee, sweaters, and unfortunately dry skin. If you are suffering from itchy, dry, and irritated skin, then stay tuned. In this video, I'm gonna share the best of best products for dry skin as well as few skincare hacks, and at the end, I'm gonna give some home remedies to tackle that dry skin. Hi, I'm Dr. Madhuri Anantwar. I'm a 40-year-old board certified dermatologist and I have been practicing in Nagpur since 10 years. Struggling with dry skin during winter? You are not alone. I have tried countless products both personally and with my patients, and I have found some of the best solutions for dry skin that I will be sharing in this video. So why does our skin get so dry in winter? Cold air has less moisture in it, and then we crank up the indoor heating and make it even more dry. Other than that, harsh cold wind and hot shower bath strip away the natural oil from our skin. And this is why you might notice dryness, flakiness, and even redness during winter. Don't worry, with the right skincare, you can get that soft and hydrated skin. Switch to gentle hydrating cleanser. Foaming cleanser can make your skin more dry. Look for the ingredients like ceramides, glycerin, or oatmeal in your soap. So in winter, you have to switch this to a hydrating cleanser. If you have very dry skin, don't use soap every day. Use it just twice or thrice a week. But don't forget to wash your underarms and groin area every day with soap. So these are my few recommendations for hydrating soaps and hydrating bath wash. Always moisturize your skin within 3 minutes after taking bath or after face wash, because the best way to apply a moisturizer is on wet or little bit damp skin. Don't let it completely dry. Isn't it looking hydrating? See, that's the best way to lock in the moisture within your skin. You can add few drops of bath oil to increase the moisture in your skin. These are my few favorite moisturizers for dry and very dry skin, and I'm gonna list them according to dry skin, oily skin, and for face and body at the end of this clip. But if you are looking for a good moisturizer, make sure to look for these ingredients in your moisturizer: ceramide, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and oatmeals. These are few best moisturizing ingredients which should be present in your moisturizer. बॉडी मॉइस्चराइजर्स ये फेस मॉइस्चराइजर से अलग रहते हैं बिकॉज अक्सर बॉडी मॉइस्चराइजर फेस पे लगाने पे वो चेहरे को डल या डार्क अपीयरेंस देते हैं। इसलिए फेस मॉइस्चराइजर में डायमिथेकॉन एक मॉलिक्यूल रहता है जो आपकी स्किन को एक स्मूथ अपीयरेंस देता है। एंड हियर इज वन सीक्रेट, इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर दैट ग्लास स्किन लाइक लुक, देन देयर इज वन हैक. Use a hyaluronic acid serum first and then apply your regular moisturizer. You get that glass like right refresh, and these are few best hyaluronic acid based products. These ingredients works wonder, so make sure to check label. Here are few wonderful home remedies to get rid of that dry skin. Mix 1 teaspoon honey with 2 teaspoon curd. Honey has natural moisturizing property, and yogurt soothe out the irritation of your skin, and as well as it has lactic acid which helps with gentle exfoliation. Keep it for 15 minutes and then rinse it off. Second home remedy, if you want to treat entire body, then mix 1 cup of coarse oatmeal into your bath water. Oatmeal has good moisturizing property and it is very effective if you have dry skin over entire body.
Dry skin relief? Add a cup of oatmeal to warm bath water. Soak and let the natural soothing begin.
And here is my ultimate hack for very dry, eczema prone or dermatitis prone skin.
After shower, apply a thick layer of moisturizer to damp skin. You can also opt for thick moisturizers like Vaseline Petroleum Jelly and then cover the area with cotton socks to lock in the moisture. This trick works wonder for those who have very dry skin because cotton socks will lock in the moisture at night for longer hours, and then during the day you will have less itching over your skin.
Skin products are great, but don't forget about your lifestyle. Include dry fruits like walnut and almonds in your diet. Other than that, if you consume enough amounts of seeds like flax seeds, sunflower seeds, these are good source of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. Foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E helps to moisturize your skin from within. And here are few food items which are rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. If you can't consume these food products in enough amount, then you can also opt for older supplements, older enough amount of vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. Don't forget to drink plenty of water because hydration comes from within. And don't forget to protect your skin outdoor as cold weather can worsen your skin condition.
Here are some essential winter care tips while taking bath. Avoid taking hot showers. No matter how tempting they are, hot showers strip your skin of its natural moisture. Instead, opt for lukewarm water and keep your shower short around 5 minutes. Say no to loofah and scrubbers. These can irritate dry or sensitive skin, making the skin condition more worse.
Sometimes dry skin condition can get worse. If you are having persistent itching, flaking, bleeding, and oozing from your skin, then it's time to consult a dermatologist. If you want to consult me in person, then here is my address. And if you want to opt for virtual consultation, then you can contact on this number. Hope this video helps you to keep your skin moisturized. And if you're looking for best moisturizer for your face, then do watch this video. And if you're looking for a good sunscreen, then definitely watch this video.